Welcome. In front of me is a REALME GT7 Pro, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. To get started, you'll want to open up content that you wish to capture, and I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open on my display. So once the content that you wish to capture is open, all you will need to do is press and hold power button and volume down at the same time. You'll have this pop up with scroll and share options visible for a brief moment, and after a moment this will disappear. So once the pop-up disappears, you can find your captured screenshot in your Photos application. Let's see. So here we have it, Photos. Now the fastest way to locate your screenshots will be by going into Albums, and there will be an album called Screenshots. Now in here you don't just have screenshots, you also have screen recordings, as you can see with the timer right here. But here is the screenshot that I've captured a moment ago. So with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.